Hello everyone, a very warm welcome. This is Kaushleen. Today I am going to discuss about self-medication is hazardous. Always ask your pharmacist. This video is for educational purpose. Always consult your doctor or healthcare professional or pharmacist for better and safe use of your medication. Always ask your pharmacist, a healthcare professional for safe and effective use of medication. As in current scenario, this is very common practice that we use medication without any consultation, which is leading to several adverse events and toxicity. Common awareness and information about medication pack, indications and the adverse event along with manufacturing, marketing and shelf life of the product is missing in the masses. When medication pack is closely observed, it provides detail for its composition, expiry, color, properties and side effects. Such minute details can be easily observed by the pharmacist and which can make a great difference in the healthcare. There are several minute details regarding patient medicine which can be available with the pharmacist. Just for the example, we use lot of dosing, which is paracetamol brand and electrol ORS, oral rehydration solution, but we are not aware with the right dosing, allergies, toxicity and in case of any renal or hepatic impairment, there is need of dosage adjustment and which can be easily done by a pharmacist on the basis of there are information about dose adjustment for a lot of medications which can be done by the pharmacist. Similar example as quoted is electrol, a oral rehydration solution made on the formula of WHO. Pharmacists can tell the right dosing, frequency and the expiry date, which is very important before consuming any electrol or any other product which will help. Pharmacists can tell generic medication available for several brands, which provides the patient with the empowerment of choosing a product, and pharmacists can guide about the generic medicine, which reduces the financial burden on the patient, provide better adherence to the therapy with compliance, plus better chances of evidence-based medication and greater opportunities for the researchers. There are innumerable benefits and these benefits can be materialized only by the consultation of your pharmacist. Guidance which pharmacists provide leads to safe, effective and fast relief from the ailment. So please don't forget to consult your pharmacist.